very happy birthday. I love you so much, and I wish you all the health, happiness, and love in life. I wish you a very long, healthy life. I have a special surprise for you. There is birthday messages from everyone, your friends and family. So I can't wait to spend the day with you. I love you so much.
Today, Anita, I love your indomitable spirit, which becomes a beacon light of hope for others. May you continue to share your prosperous and happy long life with others. Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day, Nikki. God bless you with good health and happiness. May all your dreams come true and enjoy yourself with your daughter and for her future and everything. And what else should I say? You are the most loved person because you are the youngest in the family and I am missing you today.
Happy birthday! You know how much I love you. I don't have to tell you. You're my little baby sister. I have to keep looking after you till I live. You're my favorite little sister. I love you all the best for a very, very healthy life. You and your daughter are most precious people for me in my life. And I'll keep looking after you as long as I am in this world. I promised my mother that I will look after your little baby. Don't worry, Mom. I am there. Don't worry, okay? I love you so much. Love you.
Hello Nikki, happy birthday. God bless you. I wish you all the best in your life, your health, especially. And I'm praying for every minute. I'm praying for your good health. You're always there in my mind all the time. I'm praying Reiki for you, everything. God bless you. God bless you. I thank Reiki for bringing you such good health at the moment, and I'm sure in future also you'll have a very good health and a very long life. I still remember one anecdote I would like to remind you of, that when you were just 10 years old and I was 12 years old, we had gone to the housing with Dad and Mommy was not there and we were missing her so much. And that's the time I really realized how close we are. I was looking after you like a little baby, because you were saying, देखला मम्मी मैं तो याद नहीं करती कोई मम्मी को, फिर भी मैंने याद आई जा रहे हैं, अरे साड़ी फाड़ के सामने मेरे सपने आज कभी आंधे हैं कभी कुछ. And then I would take you on top of the hill. There was this Tibetan dance. I used to take you there to entertain you. And you were so, you used to get entertained, but again you would feel sad. So then I do remember other anecdotes as well. When we were small children, I used to be in my own world because I was a little loner, I think. And you were most of the time with Mommy. That's why I think you got so attached with her. And I feel you're like, not only like my younger sister, I feel you're like my child. I feel because you're the youngest in the family, we have always felt like that about you. It seems we feel you have not really grown big, you're just a child only. So I just love you like anything. God bless you.
Hey Anita Tiwari Khurana. Today being a special occasion for all of us, all the siblings, I thought you should feel the warmth of our love for you. We really, really care for you, you being the youngest of all. There's a special place for you in our mind. Here I am wishing you a very, very happy birthday. For all times to come, remain happy and healthy. I love you, my little sister. Thank you so much. And once again, I wish you all the best, happy, healthy birthday to you. We love you all. You being the youngest, you are most dear to me. You remember those good old days when we were young, when I used to sing for you, you used to laugh. I used to say, "O chhanja papua mano billi aiya, chhanja papua mano billi aiya," and you used to do billi aa jaungi.
first time that you met me was at a cooking class. We both were here then, and you sort of from the very first glance you seem to have liked me. And you went home and you told the entire family that you've seen a girl for your brother. It was so strange that everybody stopped you and they said, "Oh, you are so funny. Wherever you go, you keep seeing girls for Kaka. What is this? What is wrong with you?" And later on, after a few months, I think in the whole family, when they came to see me, you were shocked to see that I am the same girl who was at the cooking class. So this some incident you just cannot forget in life, and how you get connected until now. We are connected and we have the same relationship as the first day, a liking for each other, and I love you for that. May you have a good, happy and healthy life, and a very happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day, dearest Nikki. You are the little one whom we love the best. I remember the good old days in Banga when you were a little child. You were the only one who used to sit with Mataji and hold her stick and move her around. God bless you. God give you good health. And the best days I have spent with you were in Chandigarh, when you were in the hostel and you were my third daughter at that time with Kirti, Kamakshi and you. And I really love you so much, and so does Neeta. We had very happy days in Chandigarh. God bless you. Keep well. Priya, you have a lovely daughter, Priya, who looks after you. God bless her also. And you have been so hospitable when we come to your house for a meal. Jagmohan and you have given us so much, so much. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Nikki Masi. All the best. I hope you're feeling well. We're looking forward seeing you coming to the house for lunch. We are organizing a lunch for you.
I love you so much.
We love you. God bless you. Do you remember that song, Nikki Masi? Lonkdi ka lonkdi. Lonkdi ka lonkdi, lonkdi ka lonkdi. Do you remember that song? Huh? When you used to hit me when I used to sing this song, and I used to run after me and shout at me and tell me not to sing this song. And I remember the Dalhousie jalebi. Do you remember the jalebis of that halwai? क्या नाम था उसका? Bau Singh. When you used to have those jalebis. Anyway, you take care of yourself, and we look forward seeing you. Have a nice day. Bless you. Love you. Take care.
Many happy returns of the day, Nikki. Wishing you every happiness from all of us. We love you very much, and we wish you every lovely thing in life. May God bless you with good health, happiness, long life. Our memories of you and all our childhood together are wonderful. You were the sweetest thing in our lives, and you've always been so affectionate. You are lovable. May God keep you in His care. Stay loved, stay blessed. Love you.
A very happy birthday. May God bless you. All the happiness and all the good health. That is the prime most thing for you need.
Nikki Masi, wishing you a long, healthy, happy life. I love you so much. You're one of the purest souls and very close to my heart. And you have been so since the day I came after I got married with Vikrant. You have made a bond with me since day one. You have showered me with so much love and affection. and I really, really, really love you and pray for you every day. I'm sure you'll be out of it soon, and we'll be partying in Panchsheel with you every year, every month, every week. I look forward to that. Love you.
Hi Nikki Masi, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day, a great year, and a super fun lunch at Panchsheel with everyone. And hope to see you soon. Come to Bombay and I'll take you around. We'll go for many lunches, dinners, parties when things are good, when there's no COVID. What else? And big hug, big kiss, and see you soon. Love you.
Hi Nikki Basi, this is to wish you a very, very happy birthday, and sorry because of all this COVID and all, we couldn't be together, but inshallah next year we'll all celebrate it together. Till then, have a good year and be healthy and happy, and lots of love to you. और आप खुश रहो और आराम से रहो, और आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. Love you lots and miss you too. God bless you. Have a good one.
Hi, my cutie pie, Nikki Bua. I love you so much. And I wish I was with you on your birthday. So instead of me, you're going to be eating my cake. Priya told me to specially make the pineapple cake for you. And I hope you like it. I'm in Dalhousie in this freezing cold. I wish everybody was here with me, but it's too cold for all of you to come. So maybe next year we will all come together and enjoy ourselves. It's really, really, really cold over here, and I'm making this video outside in the cold because I want the house to come in the background so that everybody can see. My fondest memory, childhood memory with you was when I used to come to your house, and आप वो एक balcony से basket नीचे गिराते थे जिसमें एक shopkeeper chocolates डाल के दे देता था हमें. तो मुझे लगता था कि वो chocolates are free. So I used to keep putting the basket down. He used to put chocolates in that, and I used to pull the basket up from the balcony. I used to eat them, and I didn't know that you were actually paying for those chocolates, and we used to keep eating them. So that was my highlight when I used to come to your house, that I'm going to pull the basket down. Thank you for that memory, and see you soon when I'm back. I'm going to come over, meet you, and give you a big hug. Bye bye. See.
By my get-up, you must have understood that I'm not in Delhi. I'm in Dalhousie. It's very, very cold. But that's aside, I just wanted to let you know that I love you very much, and I want to wish you a very, very, very happy birthday to you. Okay? Once I come back, or once we come back to Delhi, we are going to come and meet you and say a quick hi. Okay? Have a wonderful, wonderful birthday to us. I love you a lot.
काला भूत, काला भूत. निक्की बुआ, मैं हूँ. हैप्पी बर्थडे. ऐसे आपको डराया करते थे हम लोग बचपन में, और आप डरते थे. हमें बड़े मज़े आते थे. आपको डरा के मुझे बहुत मज़े आते थे, और मैं आपको हमेशा डराते रहूँगा ऐसे ही. और लव यू सो मच एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi Nikki Masi, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Hope you get to eat a lot of mithai on your birthday. Hopefully, but wish you lots of good health and happiness, and hope you get well really, really soon, and we all can sit together and in the sun, and just have good food together, and hope you enjoy today, and cannot wait to meet you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, and wishing you a happy long life. All the best. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nikki Masi. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Nikki Masi, wishing you a very happy birthday. You are my dearest Nikki Masi. I love you, love you, love you. I've spent so much, both Sarika and I have spent so much time with you, and we had such a good time. Probably, perhaps the best time of our lives. And we both miss you a lot. There's hardly a week we don't talk, goes by that we don't talk about those times. And ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ, ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਿੱਕੀ ਮਾਸੀ। ਐਂਡ ਇਹ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਖਤਮ ਹੋਏ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਆਈਏ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣ ਦਾ ਬੜਾ ਦਿਲ ਹੈ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਓ। ਸਾਰੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏ। I would really love to have you here, and I'm wishing you once again a very happy birthday and a very healthy, happy year of life ahead. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nikki. Nikki, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਮੈਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੀਆਂ ਯਾਦਾਂ, ਪੁਰਾਣੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਸਕਦੀ। ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ, ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਬੜਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਸਪੈਂਡ ਕੀਤਾ। ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੈਸਟ ਸਿਸਟਰ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਪ੍ਰੇਅਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਗੁੱਡ ਲੱਕ ਐਂਡ ਗੁੱਡ ਲਾਈਫ। ਔਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਪ੍ਰਾਊਡ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਤੇਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਿਆ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿੰਨੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਹੈ। ਯੂ ਗॉट ਅ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਡਾਟਰ। ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਆਸ਼ੀਰਵਾਦ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਟੇਕ ਕੇਅਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਭਗਵਾਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੁੱਖ ਦੇ। ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੁੱਖ ਦੇ। ਲਵ ਯੂ ਲਵ ਯੂ ਲਵ ਯੂ।
Happy birthday, Nikki Masi. Hope you're having a wonderful day and we've heard so many nice things about you.
And this is Arman.
Happy birthday, Nikki Masi. We've heard so many great things about you and I hope you have a happy birthday.
Nikki Masi, wishing you a very happy and healthy birthday. Take care.
Hi, Nikki Masi. This is Umang here. Just wanted to say hi to you. It's been a while. Ages actually. I saw you, I don't know when, many years ago. But I still have very fond memories of you. I really miss you a lot. It's been a while, but I still have memories where I would come to Panchsheel and you would take care of us. Dalhousie is always such a great place where we have so much memories. Us being in that house and I don't know the name, I think Seven Oaks Tree or something, but that was very nice. And always miss you. I wish I could have come and more to India. I've not been to India in a while, so it's been some time. I wish to come down and see you, give you a big hug, and give you all my love. It's always been nice knowing you, Miss Nikki Masi. I love you. I wish you the best, and I hope I can see you soon. Okay? Love you. Lots of hugs.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nikki Masi. Happy birthday to you. I miss you and love you. It's been a while, Nikki Masi, but I remember all the beautiful moments we spent together. Our conversations, our music sessions. You were more like a friend to me than my Masi, and I still miss that and still cherish that. So to the happy moments, and I'm sure we're going to make many more. I actually also remember our crazy trip to Dalhousie. Remember that bus ride, and then we had that blackout in the daytime, but we had so much fun together. So I'm sure I'll see you soon, and we'll definitely, have more fun times together. So enjoy your day, have a blast, love you very much, stay happy and healthy.
Birthday, Nikki Masi. I hope you have a wonderful day today, and I hope everyone's happy and healthy and safe. And I wish all the good health to you, and I hope you get better soon, so that we can enjoy some bundis together like you used to get me when I was younger, and we can spend some quality good time together. So I hope you get well soon, and I wish you a very happy birthday and lots of love to you. Hope to see you soon once COVID is over and things are better. So happy birthday, see you soon, lots of love.
Happy birthday, Nikki Masi. I love you. I'll see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.
Birthday, Nikki Masi. I hope you're doing well and you're taking good care of yourself, and I'm sure Priya's taking really good care of you. I hope you have a really good day today, and hopefully I'll come and see you soon and spend time with you. I miss miss you and I love you. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Have fun. Bye.
हेलो निकी बहन जी, हाउ आर यू? आपको जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू विद हेल्दी एंड लॉन्ग लाइफ. गॉड ब्लेस.
Happy birthday, Nikki Bua. Many happy returns of the day. I just wanted to say that you're so sweet and I love the compliments you always give me. And me and my mom, we like always talk about you and Priya Masi, that how special you guys are to us. So yeah, enjoy your day.
Hi Nikki, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. I love you and hope to see you as soon as possible.
Very happy birthday, Nikki Bua. Wish you a speedy recovery. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Nikki, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nikki. Happy birthday to you. बार दिन ये आए, बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, Nikki, happy birthday to you. Cheers, cheers, Nikki. You are lovely, my dear friend, and my sister too. आ छोटी गुड्डी या बड़ी गुड्डी? बड़ी छोटी लगती है, छोटी गुड्डी लगती है ना. मेरा तो गोलगप्पा ही हो गया ले और प्यार दे विच. You are so sweet. You are lovely, my गोलगप्पा तेरी पार्टी दा. ले भी ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਖਾਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਆ ਰਸ ਮਲਾਈ ਮੇਰੀ ਨਿੱਕੀ ਦੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਦੀ. ਲੈ ਵੀ ਆ ਖੋਲੀ ਹੈ ਹਨਾ. ਇਹ ਨਿੱਕੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਦੀ ਸੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਨਾ. ਗੋਲਗੱਪੇ ਨੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਚੰਦ ਹਲਵਾਈ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ. ਨਿੱਕੀ ਇਹ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਚੰਦ ਹਲਵਾਈ ਦੇ ਆ. ਓਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੇ. ਓਕੇ ਲਵ ਯੂ. ਗੋਲਗੱਪੇ ਚੜ ਗਈ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਜ ਚੜ ਗਈ ਓਏ ਸ਼ਰਾਟੇ ਨਾਲ. ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪੀਤੀ ਇੰਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਪੀਤੀ ਬਾਟੇ ਨਾਲ. ਚੜ ਗਈ ਓਏ ਸ਼ਰਾਟੇ ਨਾਲ. ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਨਿੱਕੀ, ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ.
Cheers.
Cheers. फोटो देख लिया निक्की. हैप्पी बर्थडे. हाँ तेन गिफ्ट की दई है हुन? गिफ्ट किथे मेरी निक्की दा? निक्की दा गिफ्ट दिखाने आ. पहले कोरोना हटूगी तो फिर भेजांगे पोस्ट राही. फिर जावांगे फिर कोरोने लेके जाऊंगी. तेन बहुत हैप्पी बर्थडे निक्की. बहुत लव करते हैं तेन, अभी बहुत मिस करते हैं. तू फोन करती रहेगा तेन जवाब देवांगे. निक्की ने खेडन चलिए. अरे बाबू बोले ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਬੋਲ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਪਗੇਸੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਬਾਬੂ ਬੋਲੇ ਵਾਲ ਨਾਟੀਆਂ. ਉਹ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਯਾਦ ਨਹੀਂ. ਨਿੱਕੀ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਹੋਣਾ ਸਾਰਾ. हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरी किसी तेरे घर वाले किसी घर वाले ने भी किसी सारे चीचे अवतार सिंह नूं भी असीं नाल लियाउणा सीगा पर वो फोटो खिचदे आ साडी दोनां दी तां कर. हां प्रिया नूं भी बहुत प्यार. वेरी लवली गर्ल. सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੀਟਾ ਨੂੰ ਦੀਦੀ ਨੂੰ शारदा दीदी ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਦੀ. ਐ ਪਾਪੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਪੇ ਤੇਜਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਐ ਨੀਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈ ਹੋਵੇ. ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ. ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਟੂ ਯੂ. ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਡਾਰਲਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਯੂ. हैप्पी बर्थडे निक्की. ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹ ਭੇਜਣੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਭੇਜਣਾ ਸੀ ਗਾਣਾ ਨਿੱਕੀ ਨੂੰ. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਭੇਜ ਦਿੰਨੇ. ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਨਿੱਕੀ ਜੀ. ਹਾਂ ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ. ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ. ਯੈਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ। ਅਵਤਾਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੀ ਫੋਟੋ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ।
Wish you very happy birthday Anita. Have a wonderful day. एक केक का पीस मेरे वास्ते जरूर सेव कर ਲਈ, ਸਾਰਾ ਹੀ ਨਾ ਖਾ ਲਈ। ਔਰ ਉਹ ਦਿਨ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਖੇਲਦੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ, ਘਰ ਘਰ ਖੇਲਣਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉੱਧਰ ਕੰਧਾਂ ਕੋਠਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਟੱਪਣਾ, ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਤੂੰ ਇੱਧਰ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਤੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਗਾਣੇ ਲਿਖਣੇ। ਤੂੰ ਲਿਖਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਆ। ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ। ਤੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮਿਲੇ ਆ, ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ। ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਆਪਣਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਿਓ। ਹੈਵ ਅ ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਡੇ। ਮੈਨੀ ਮੈਨੀ हैप्पी रिटर्न ऑफ द डे। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
निक्की, तुझे याद है बचपन में हम माता जी के कमरे में बैठ जाती थी और तू ऊपर से थुक्के सुटती थी कि प्रभा को बाहर भेज दो, प्रभा को बाहर भेज दो। तू करती थी ना ऐसे काम, करती थी ना? तू ऊपर से थुक्के सुटती थी कि प्रभा नू कट दो बाहर। हाँ, तब तू भी कितनी इनोसेंट थी और मैं भी। अब तो हम बड़े बड़े हो गए, बड़े 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 बड़े, है ना निक्की? बता, मुझे तो सच्ची तू बड़ी याद आती है। मेरा सारा बचपन याद आ जाता है जब मैं तेरे को याद करती हूँ, है ना निक्की? तू मेरे को वीडियो बना के भेजना अपनी अच्छी सी। मैं तुझे ना देखना चाहती हूँ कि अब तू कितनी हेल्दी हो गई है। ठीक है, ठीक है निक्की? ये देख अब मेरे बाल भी चिट्टे हो गए हैं। तू कहेगी बाल डाई कर, बाल डाई कर। ये देख सारे बाल चिट्टे चिट्टे हो गए हैं। अब क्या करूं, मैं तो तेरे से बूढ़ी हो गई हूँ। ये देख अभी भी बाल मेरे सारे चिट्टे हैं। अभी जब तू मेरी वीडियो देखेगी कहेगी प्रभा बाल डाई कर ले, बाल डाई कर ले। तभी मैं डरती मारी बना रही थी। ठीक है, तू बहुत खुश रहे, सुखी रहे, स्वस्थ रहे और खूब अच्छे अच्छे मेरे को सूट दे। फिर मैं बड़ी खुश हो जाऊंगी। एक सूट मैं भी तुझे दूंगी अच्छा सा। ठीक है, एक तू मुझे देना, फिर हम एक्सचेंज कर लेंगे। ठीक है निक्की? मैं तुझे हैप्पी बर्थडे का दूंगी, बहुत बढ़िया सा सूट है। तेरा कौन सा फेवरेट कलर है मुझे बताना। ठीक है, चल ओके, बाय बाय।
God bless you. Stay blessed always. Be happy. Enjoy your day. Love you.
नमस्ते दीदी, हैप्पी बर्थडे। कैसे हो आप? ठीक हो? आप अपना पूरी तरह से ध्यान रखना और अपना हैप्पी बर्थडे बहुत अच्छे से मनाना।
नमस्ते आंटी जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे। नमस्ते आंटी जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
और दीदी मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि एक टाइम था कि मैंने कभी मतलब कि मेरे को इतनी समझ नहीं थी। जब मैं छोटी थी पहली बार आपके पास आई थी तो मैं काम कर रही थी किचन में, तो मेरे को मतलब कि ठंड लगने लगी थी। पानी का काम कर रही थी तो मैंने आपको आके बोला कि दीदी मेरे को ठंड लग रही है। तो आपने बोला कि देखते क्यों ठंड लग रही है। आपने देखा कि मेरे को बुखार आया है और आपने मेरे को जल्दी से मतलब कि पानी से बाहर निकाल के काम छुड़वा के मेरे को मतलब कि अंदर लेके गए और सफ़ेद खेसी थी, खेसी उड़ाई, रज़ाई उड़ाई और आपने मेरे को दवाई दी थी। और आप मेरे को पूरी रात मतलब कि आप देखभाल करते रहे, बार बार आके मेरे को देखते थे। तो मैं ये सोचती थी कि आप मेरे को बार बार आके क्यों देख रहे हो। तो मेरे को इतना समझ नहीं था कि मतलब कि मैं बीमार हूँ इसलिए आप मेरे को देख रहे हो। लेकिन आज जब मैं मतलब कि आर्यन और राहुल बीमार होते हैं और मैं जब इनको बार बार देखने जाती हूँ और देखती हूँ कि ठीक है या नहीं है, तो आज मुझे समझ आई कि एक माँ अपने बच्चे की कैसे फिक्र करती है और वही फिक्र आपने मेरे लिए की। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू सो मच। आज मैं आपको कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। आई लव यू मॉम। आप हमेशा खुश रहो। और मैं उसको भी थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ जिसने मेरे को बोला कि आप कुछ ऐसी बात बोलना जो मम्मा से या मतलब कि किसी से दिल से जुड़ी हो। और मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि मैं आपकी बेटी हमेशा बनी रहूँ, जैसे प्रिया है वैसे मैं भी बनी रहूँ। और बाऊजी को भी मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते और प्रिया को हाय। और आप तीनों हमेशा खुश रहो और हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहो। और भगवान से यही दुआ है कि आप जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओ और हम चारों आपको मिलने आए।
हेलो अनीता, क्या हाल है तेरा? ठीक है? और हैप्पी बर्थडे। वाहे तो बहुत खुशियाँ दे, सुख दे। और कोरोना की वजह से नहीं मिल पाए। पिछले साल तो तेरा कितना अच्छा बर्थडे हमने सेलिब्रेट किया था। कोरोना ख़त्म हो जाए, भगवान करे जल्दी जल्दी, और अगले साल फिर तेरा अच्छा हैप्पी बर्थडे हम बनाएं। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nikki.
Have a great day.
Have a great
Hello Nikki Masi, this is Rahul here. Wishing you a very happy birthday and may God bless you. May you give strength and happiness and good health and live long, and hope we will see you soon. Have a wonderful birthday. We wish we could be there with you celebrating your birthday. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Nikki Dasi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Nikki Masi. May God bless you. God give you good health, long life and lots of happiness.
Birthday to my best loving friend Anita. All my best memories are with you, Nikki. I am so lucky to have such a great friend. Wishing you all the happiness in the world on your special day. I love you a lot.
Happy birthday, Nikki
Dadi.
Masi. May you have a great year ahead and many happy returns of the day.
May you have a great year ahead and a happy life. I have brought a surprise for you. A happy birthday card. I have written, Happy birthday, Nikki Masi. Nikki Dadi, sorry. I don't know what the family would be without you. You are the middle of the family. Thank you.
Hey Nikki Masi, happy birthday once again. I know we haven't met for a long time, and here's hoping that we meet up real soon. God bless you and have a really good year ahead from all of us over here.
Bonjour, Senorita.